Alright, in this video, let's talk about dictionaries in Python. So a dictionary in Python is an unordered collection of key and value pairs, where each key maps to a value. In dictionary, we have key and value pairs. Okay, so in the earlier videos, we have seen how to create the dictionaries. But in this video, we will also see how to work with dictionaries, how to access the keys and values of a dictionary. So we will also do some basic operations that can be done with dictionaries. Okay, so first thing, let's first create a dictionary. So I will first comment all this code. So this is the list code, and I'll just write a dictionary. Okay, so to create a dictionary, we use I'll just create a create one variable with the name myDict. So to create a dictionary, we use curly braces. So this dictionary contains key and value. So for example, this name is a key, and corresponding to this name, there is this value. We will put the value as Ratan. Okay, this is the key and this is the value. Similarly, we can also put any number of elements here. Let's say age. Okay, so let's say age. So I will say my age is 60. Okay, so you notice we have the string data type, also we have the integer data type. Similarly, we can also have any data types like list or tuple. All right, and I will also put one more key, like I'll say city. I'll write Mumbai. Okay, so now we have a dictionary with the three elements. One is name, age, and city. Okay, so this name is a key and Ratan is a value. Age is key, 60 is a value. Similarly, the city is a key and Mumbai is a value. Key and value. Okay, this one you should remember. Now to print the dictionary, you can simply run this myDict. Let me just say Python 3 learn Python. Okay, so you can see this is how you print the dictionary. Now to see the type of this, you can simply say I think we have already seen this kind of thing, right, when we were learning this type function, right? Simply run it, and you'll see class dict means it's a dictionary data type. All right, I'll revert it back. Okay, next, to access the value, for example, we have a dict. Okay, we have a dictionary and we want to access the value of this name, right? So to access the value Ratan, then what we need to do is we need to simply say dict of, okay, dict of key. What is the key here? Name, right? So now if you save and run it again, and you'll see the value of this key has been printed. Similarly, if you want to see the age, then you have to call this by the key. I'll say age, and you see here 60. Okay, so that's how you access the values. So there can be one problem here. What if I try to access the key that does not exist, right? For example, I will say country. Okay, this country does not exist here, right? So let's see what we will get. Okay, now you can see key error, right? So this is a key error. That means this key country does not exist in this myDict. Okay, so if you want to handle this error gracefully, you can use the function called get. So let me also use this one. So if you write this like this, the key that actually exists, then you can write like this myDict of name, save it, and you get the value. But if you want to say like myDict, okay, myDict dot get, myDict.get, and this dot get only use when you're not sure that this whether this key exists or not. So in this case we are doubtful that whether this key exists or not. So in that situation you can use this get and give a default value. So simply say country here. Okay, so myDict.country. Okay, consider you don't know whether this country exists or not. Because you don't want to get the error, you can simply say not specified. okay, not specified or not found or anything. Okay, not found. Okay, so what this will do is this will actually try to get the country from this mydlic. If country does not exist, it will just say not found. Okay, let's run it, and you see this not found. So this Ratan is being printed from this one, and this one is printing not found here. So now if I try to say city, so in this case it is going to give you give me Mumbai. You see Mumbai, but not found will only return if there is no key exist. Okay, so instead of giving the key error, so it will just say not found. Okay, so that's how you can handle this problem. All right, next let's see how you can update the existing existing value. Okay, so it is also by accessing the key itself. So let's say I want to change my age to 60 to 70, right? So what I'll do is I'll simply say my dict. Okay, my dict of what is the key here? Age. I want to change this 60 to 70. I mean 70, right? So I'll simply say age that is equal to 70. Okay, so that's equal to 70. And now if you print my dict, let me clear. You see here, name Ratan, age is 70 now. Okay, I'll just comment this. All right, so similarly, what if I want to add one more element, okay, one more key and value pair to this existing dictionary? So in that case, you can you can say my dict of what you want to add, right? You want to add the country. Okay, this is a new key. Okay, you want to add a new key called country, and the value for this country will be India. Okay, so this is the value, this is the key you want to add, this is the value you want to add. And now if you say print my dict, save, and you'll see name Ratan, age 70, city Mumbai, and country India. Okay, so this key and value pair has been added to the existing list. Okay, so this is how you add it. Perfect. Next, similar to what we have done in the list example, we also have something called pop and del to remove the keys. Okay, to remove the entire key value pair. So let's say my dict dot pop. So what do you want to remove here? So I want to specify that I want to remove the city here. Okay, I want to keep this country and everything else. I want to remove the city. Okay, let's say I don't want the city to be here in this dictionary. So this will remove the city. Okay, so let's print it, save it, and run again. And here you can see name is printed Ratan, I mean a name Ratan, age 70, and you see city does not exist here. Then we have a country. Okay, because this pop function has removed this city. Similarly, we also have the del function. Del is del space my dict of. Okay, when you use del, you have to put this key like this in a square bracket. So I'll say age. Okay, so this will also remove the age, but simply say my dict. Let's see what it will return, and you can see here. So this one was done by the pop function. This one was done using del. Now the difference between pop and del is the same as list, right? So pop will return the popped out value. Okay, so if you want to see that, popped value is equal to whatever value this city had contained, this will be stored inside this popped value. Okay, so let me say I'm sorry, popped value, and this will just have the updated dictionary. Okay, so let me just say run it, and you can see here. So we removed the city, right? The city was Mumbai. So that's why this pop is used when you want to return the removed item. Okay, removed value. So you can use pop, but this one does not return anything. This one only return the updated dictionary. Okay, using del you can also delete the whole dictionary itself. Okay, so for example, if you say del my dict, okay, del my dict, and then you want to try to access my dict, then you will see the error now. You see, because this del has deleted this whole, entire dictionary itself. And you see name error, name my dict is not defined because this has been deleted. Okay, I'll just don't want to delete it right now. All right, so let's just comment a few code here. I'll just comment this, and just don't want to pop out something. For now, let me see my dictionary. It is name Ratan, age 70, city Mumbai. I've got this dictionary back, and I just want to show you how how to iterate through this dictionary. Okay, now I also want to show you how to iterate through a dictionary. Okay, so for example, we have this dictionary my dict, and I want to loop through the dictionary. Okay, so I will use a for loop. Okay, for loop. So if you don't know for loop, don't worry. So for loop is used to iterate through elements. Okay, so we will have a separate section for the for loop, but for now just follow along with me, and this is how you iterate through dictionaries. So you will simply say key. Okay, for key comma value. Okay, for key comma value in my dict. Okay, so when you want to iterate through the items of this my dict, so these are all the items, right? So this is one item, this is two items, this is third item, right? So in that case, when you are iterating through the dictionary items, he'll have to say dot items. Okay, remember this, dot items. Okay, colon. Now you can simply say key comma value. Okay, key comma value. Now let's run it, and you'll see name is key, and age is 70, city Mumbai, country India. Okay, so all right, we have also added this dictionary, right? I think we have not printed this dictionary here after adding the country, so that's why it is not showing the country here, but country is still there. Okay, so if you want to also format it, you can simply use f string and put the key here, put the key colon value. Okay, key colon value. Now you can see clearly name is Ratan, age is 70, city Mumbai, and country India. So this is how you iterate through the dictionary items. All right, last we want to check whether a particular key exists or not in this particular dictionary. Okay, so it is again we have used in our list example, right? Similar thing will also happen here. So we want to see whether name in my dict. Okay, name in my dict. If name key exists in the my dict, then it will return true. Okay, you see here a name exists, right? So it should return true. You can see it has returned true. But if I say gender, what it will return will false. Okay, it is false because gender key does not exist in in this particular dictionary. So that's how you do some basic operations in dictionary. And more about dictionaries we can learn along the way when we work on the projects.